today we've got our very first truck here at FCR that showed up here because of our videos, which is really cool. This fella here, his name is Dennis, and he's got this 579 Peterbilt, owner-operator. We're gonna be following it start to finish from the day it rolls in the shop until the day it rolls out. We're waiting on all the parts to show up here. It's gonna be about 2.5 weeks, maybe a week and a half. We're gonna get all the parts from Peterbilt to fix it. But after that happens, we're gonna follow this thing through the shop, and hopefully 2 or 3 days it'll be fixed, maybe less. The feller that owns it said he was going down the highway at about 55 miles an hour, and some road construction was happening, and a truck in front of him merged last minute, and he hit the back corner of the trailer. You can see right there where it just smashed everything up real bad. All up inside there, there's a fan. That fan does not spin anymore. Bent up all kinds of parts up top. Lots of stuff to get fixed on this thing. It's a really nice truck. They did a lot of shows with it. I've never seen a 579 that looks this good, honestly. Like it's done it right, and it's a really unique color. It's like a seafoam color. If you guys have any trucks that you're wrecked on the side of the road, anything like that, don't be afraid to give us a call here at FCR. Your truck could come in the shop, we could tow it, and we'll follow it through the shop, getting fixed on video. It'd be really cool.
No, you can hold on just a second.
I got one more bolt.
I got 4.
Well, hey, we're fixing to close that hood real quick.
No, we ain't either.
I don't want y'all to waste all your time putting this together and it not match and take it right back apart.
I know a painter that'll be taking it back apart.
Yeah, but we still make it match.
We got the most painters on the east side of Mississippi here at Pittsburgh.
I'm rubbing in the glaze because I just compound it to bring out the shine. You got to be careful about the edges so you don't want to burn through the little studs. Definitely don't want to hit the mirrors. The buffer will eat through the plastic right here on the sides. Same as the door handles. If you hit the edge of the door handles, it will leave a burnt mark in it and it's really hard to get out. Then you just wipe off the excess so you can see what you're doing. Kind of gets the swirls out of it. Try to buff it till all of it comes off. That's when you know it's done. And it's nice and shiny. Get outside, you'll be able to see yourself in it. If you don't do it, the paint will oxidize and fade. So you gotta keep it up by buffing it and compounding it and glazing it and waxing it every so often a year. Or because it will turn out like how shiny it is, it will turn like a dullish green color. And you don't want that on something that's nice. Put a little glaze on it. You try to take it all off like you do with compound. Rule of thumb. See how it catches my nail? Won't come out. You have to sand it, then it might not even come out by sanding it because that's a pretty deep little groove. You can go ahead and wax it after you wash it. It helps protect it a little too, but this should last for a couple, 6-7 months. It's all about how you buff it and take care of it. Looks brand new. Do the front part, we'll be good as done. There you go. How you buff a semi.